Hey, today we're cooking chicken. Marinade. It's gonna be nummy. Here you go.
We're doing chickens today. Now I got 2 fryers here. And I am marinating in Worcester and soy sauce and lemon pepper, mesquite, Italian, all sorts of flavors. One of which I will be stuffing later on. But then now we have this. This is brown sugar, honey, and lemon pepper in a nice sauce. We're going to be pouring that over the top. And it's only like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I will be letting these sit in the fridge to marinate. The reason why I'm doing this, I get the rest of that, honey. Oh yeah. It's because Chris is always asking me, hey, please make it taste like it's not chicken. And the reason being is after we raise chickens here, Chris has a real aversion to things tasting like chicken. So even though this is chicken, and it is a fibrous meat that takes on all sorts of flavors. So this is going to be magically wonderful. So, hey, we're going to sit there and let these marinate and then continue forth. They are done. My favorite part is the skin. So, lots of spices on that. Chris is a white meat person. I got some nice corn done. And I made an apple pie for dessert with vanilla ice cream. So hey guys, thanks for watching. We're gonna go chow down and watch some Criminal Minds. Boo-ah! And we'll see you on the next video. You guys take care. Please subscribe. More to come.